Introducing the UltiMaker2 Connect. Built upon an award-winning architecture that's delivered millions of high-quality 3D prints, the UltiMaker2 Connect takes our single extrusion workhorse to the next level. The newly designed touchscreen simplifies setup and daily use, and its easy-to-use network capabilities transform your workflow. So now, you can leverage the full power of UltiMaker Cura, then print via the cloud, from home, or the office. The UltiMaker2 Connect enables small businesses to achieve big savings. Designers can iterate faster by printing prototypes with the affordable materials they choose. And because the UltiMaker2 Connect prints reliably day and night, needing less than 4 hours maintenance per year, educators can help more students bring their school projects to life. The optional UltiMaker2 Connect Air Manager gives you more confidence and setup flexibility. Proven to remove up to 95% of ultrafine particles, it also shields users from hot and moving components. The UltiMaker2 Connect. Start 3D printing the UltiMaker way.